There's a million different salmon recipes out there. Not many people think of confit as a way of cooking salmon. When you think confit, you're thinking duck breasts. But if you're on the ketogenic diet, cooking something confit is something that you should know how to do. But today I'm showing you how to use olive oil to cook salmon, and it comes out amazing. Without further ado, let me show you how to make some salmon confit. Let's do this. I take off the salmon skin. In reality, you could make it with the salmon skin on, but I like taking that skin and frying it up like bacon. But that's for another recipe video. We can use that as a garnish. It just looks amazing. What I'm gonna do before I cook this confit is I'm actually gonna cure the salmon, and we're doing that with some lemon zest, some salt, and some dill. Really, salt by itself could do it, but that lemon zest adds a particularly beautiful, crisp, and bright flavor. Now, exact measurements don't really matter here. We just need enough salt, dill, and lemon zest to completely cover the fillet. Now this is what a well-covered fillet should look like. And I wanna let you know that this is the beginning process of making lox, where you suck out all the water out of a salmon fillet. If you wanna see me make it into an actual video, head over to my Instagram, leave me a comment there. And if it looks like there's enough interest, I'll show you guys how to make this really simple recipe of lox. So anyways, you can see how much water that just 2 hours of this curing process took out of the salmon. That's really gonna concentrate the flavor here. And at this point, we're gonna take it and we're gonna wash off all of the salt, dill, and lemon zest. And then we're gonna pat it dry with a paper towel. Now here's the fun part. We're gonna use olive oil to cook this in, but in reality, any fat works. I'm using olive oil just because I like the flavor of it. It's very delicate. I think it goes well with fish. This process is gonna be a pretty low temperature, so pick whatever oil you want. Now, I'm choosing to serve this on a bed of simple pesto. Any green, you can pesto. It just means that it has oil, greens, nuts, salt, and pepper. You can make it in a blender. I'm gonna make it in mortar and pestle. I'm gonna add some macadamia nuts, some basil, some salt, some pepper, and olive oil. And now we have a beautiful bed to serve our salmon on. Now at this point, if you kept those salmon skins, you can use them as a garnish, and that would look amazing. But for me, I'm gonna leave the salmon as it is, just so you can see how it looks like when you take it out of the oil. The flavor is out of this world. And as always, keep it keto, stay healthy. Peace.